Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is October 28th, 2021. Guys, I just had somebody post on the Facebook down below one of my videos saying, Dan, what's the date of this rate sheet that you're posting? Guys, that's why I say, here's the date every time. People ask, Dan, why do you do that? Well, because a lot of people are like, Dan, we don't know what date you're talking about. Well, I thumbnail stamp it on my videos, I thumbnail stamp it in the description, and I try to give you the date that's on there. So when you come back, we're going to go over rates, what caused the rates to move today, and we're going to go over a new feature on my website that we have to help you guys save some money. So don't go away. Okay, so we started out the day very good, and then we had a 7-year Treasury auction, and then everything went kind of kaput from there. So let's get on to it. Let's start from the beginning. We had pending home sales, and Diane Olick's going to tell us about that next. Take it away, Diane.
Good morning, Carl. Pending home sales, which are a measure of signed contracts to buy existing homes, fell 2.3% in September compared with August. That according to the National Association of Realtors. And that's a miss. Analysts were predicting a slight monthly gain. Sales were 8% lower than a year ago. Now, pending sales are a forward-looking indicator of closed sales in 1 to 2 months. Now, one of the reasons sales may have dropped, higher mortgage rates. The average rate on the 30-year fixed fell below 3% in July and stayed there until the first week of September, that according to Mortgage News Daily. Then it began rising, crossed over 3%, ending the month at 3.15%. Buyers are also still contending with very high home prices, up close to 20% year over year nationally. There were signs, though, in August that the market might be cooling with fewer bidding wars, and the price gains held the same as July. Regionally, pending sales fell hardest in the Northeast. That may have been due in part to Hurricane Ida. Morgan?
Great job. But you probably heard Diane, I don't know if you guys caught this, but she says one of the reasons is, or could be, mortgage rates just went way up. Well, guys, they went from like 2.75 to 3. I don't think a quarter in the rate's going to really damper the housing market. There's no inventory, folks. There's no inventory. Until we start seeing the forbearances end and those people get in a tougher spot or finally just decide to move. But we're in that time of year where, think of it this way. You have a lot of families with kids. Like, let's say, for example, I have 3 kids, but they're older now. But if they were in school, I'm not moving in November. I'm not moving in December. I'm going to wait till spring. That's why usually spring's the hot season. So there might be more and more houses coming on the market. And you watch my word, by January, February, we're going to have a substantially bigger amount of homes on the market. Other predictions that I had was the unemployment claims. And watch this morning's video because I talked about unemployment claims continued and new, and they're down dramatically as I predicted. So let's get on to the news, and then we'll explain what happened today with rates and what we see maybe tomorrow that's coming up. So Diane had a great point in regards to pending home sales. They were down 2.3. Look at the trend here. You go to the newsletter that I post. I just posted that on my all over my social media. September pending home sales down 2.3. Was August the turning point for home prices? Mortgage rates so everything reads the same thing. Then you see the market is starting to price in more interest rates hike than the Fed is indicating. I told you guys, everything overreacts. So it's going to start to move back a little bit because it was too fast, too much of this rate increase. And then you also have all the headlines again. Pending home sales fell unexpectedly in September, likely due to higher mortgage rates. They weren't substantially higher, guys. Okay, so we're going to leave it at that. What the MBS finished up for the day. Why most people follow me is, Dan, what the heck's going on with mortgage rates? Well, here's what it is. So we follow this number right here. This is what's happening to the MBS market. MBS is a mortgage-backed security bond that trades on Wall Street. This number right here represents the price of that bond. As that price decreases, mortgage rates go up. You can see the economic calendar today, and this was a repeat of this morning. The biggest news that came out today was continued jobless claims. Look at that. It's down about 200,000 for the week. So continued jobless claims. Initial jobless claims is also down about 9,000. Well, it's a start, folks. It's a start. The pending home sales, that number came in also at 9 o'clock this morning. The last month was up 8%, over 8%. The expectation was basically to be flat, not a negative, but we came in negative. All right, so that's what's going on right now. The thing I want to focus in on today is for those out there that are already in the market and you're looking for mortgages, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to talk about in more detail forbearances. If you're in a forbearance, what is your exit strategy? I talked to 3 clients this week, and all 3, well, 3 particular clients had loans or mortgages with PNC Bank. Nothing against PNC Bank. I really don't even know them. Each one of them said they were in a forbearance and PNC required them to bring the account fully current. They need 20,000 plus to bring the account current. And one of the families is kind of freaking out. And I get it. You know, do you have an extra 20,000 in your pocket because you haven't made, you have been off work and so forth. So tomorrow I'm going to go over more details on an exit strategy if you're in forbearance, and even talk about, refinancing and so forth. But let's get on to how do you check to make sure you guys are getting the best deal in town. So we just created a feature on our website that if you're in the mortgage process right now, okay, in the mortgage process, you already applied somewhere, you would have received from that lender a loan estimate. We call it an LE. What I do here is, again, I'm your mortgage advisor. I'm looking for you guys to send me your loan estimate for a double check. Let's see what you're getting. Okay, when you get a loan estimate, what you basically did is you applied for a mortgage. That mortgage company sent you a loan estimate. That loan estimate is going to go over everything with you. It's going to go over your home value on the top left. Then it's going to go over your loan amount, the rate. Is it locked in? Is it not locked in? And all the fees down to the penny. We created on our website, and I ask you guys this every day, but the response is overwhelming. It is awesome what you guys are doing. What I created on our website today was this. You can go into the website, all right? And under resources right here, you're going to upload your loan estimate. It's a secure system. You click there. It is 100% secure. You click this, put in your information so I know how to email you back and so forth. I'm not going to call you and drive you crazy, but you're going to go in there, click You're Not a Robot, and create an account and drag and drop your loan estimate in there. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to email you back. So please make sure you give us your email. I won't call you because a lot of people are scared of those phone calls. I'll email you back, and I'm going to write all over that loan estimate with a pen and saying, here's where you are and here's what I can do. If we're saving you some money, we're going to give you the option of moving your loan over to us so we can help you save on the rate or the fees, or C, all the above, rate and fees. That's a new feature we just posted in today. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Again, tomorrow what we're going to talk about is forbearances and how, if you're in a forbearance, how to get you an exit strategy of getting in or out of a forbearance. So I'm asking you guys, if you're looking to buy a house, refinance a house, build a home, anything you're looking to do in regards to residential mortgage, please reach out to us. We would love to help you. How do you find out more about me and my team? Well, you're going to go back to therateupdate.com. Right here is going to give you all the information. You can give us a call at 844-775-LOAN. It's 844-775-5626. You can download your loan estimate right there. You can apply for a loan. We just came out with a brand new system. It's state of the art. We've spent millions of dollars on this to put you through your loan application. It looks like TurboTax, and you can get through there very quickly. If you're like, I just have a question. I don't know what I can or can't do. Do me a favor. Click this right here. Schedule an appointment. You'll be scheduled with me or one of my senior loan advisors. And then you're going to pick the day and time of your choice. So at that day and time, we'll be calling you or you call us, and we're going to go over any and all the questions that you have. Nothing is a dumb question. You got to make sure you know what's going on with your mortgage, because it's probably the biggest asset as well as the biggest debt in your life. So the video, not hugely informative today, but I wanted to show you some features that we have, and we're looking to help you guys in your refinance process right now, save some money. So don't forget to go to the website, therateupdate.com, download your loan estimate, let us get back with you and help you save some money. God bless, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. See you tomorrow with that forbearance special.